I bought this LED light strip to install in my car trunk. It goes along this rubber ceiling and illuminates the trunk. The power source is a regular trunk light. Let's see how we can connect this to the power source. Okay, let's open this light. Any sharp tool should be able to help you remove it. Once you have this, careful, this is hot. If it is running for a long time, this gets hot, so be careful about it. And then remove this connection. Okay, so it has 2 pins, so we got 2 pins for the light strip. Let's see if we can connect in. It's not lighting up. Let's reverse the wires. Yeah, so this is the order of connections. Red on the right, black on the left. So if you see here, there are holes here, extra holes to insert these pins. So I'm going to set here. You can see it's working. So we have these pins free for the original light, and we can connect this extra here in the back here. Now we actually need to run these cables through this panel so that the LED strip will come here underneath this strip. Let's see how we can run the wires through this one. So to run the wires from here till here, we need to remove this strip. So if you lift it and then pull with a little pressure, it will come out like this. You can see the gap here. I think we should be able to run the wire through this gap. It's not a long one, so we should be able to easily push wire from this end and then pull out from this end. So I'm pushing these wires through this gap here. Should be available from this side. Okay, I think I got them. Okay, so got them from this end. So pull all the way. So pull all the available length of this wire through this. Till you get this end. So this is the side that illuminates, lights up. So this should be to the outer side, like this. And then you can press this rubber seal back nicely. Now we can put this all around the trunk. Under this rubber. So I'm setting the strip inside this rubber. I put this so far here. Little difficult with one hand. But it should be fairly easy with two hands. We completed installing this one. So this is available in two sizes, half circle or full circle. I bought a full circle one. It runs all around the boot, and also we got some 4-5 inch extra piece. Should be able to cut extra piece at the markings shown here. So we can cut it at that mark and then put this end cap back. But for now I'll be putting extra piece also back into this one. Guess it extra part also back in this one, but I will cut this part till here and seal it off properly. Let's connect the wires and so put the wires in and insert it all the way inside. They'll be tight enough, won't come out. And put all the extra wire back into this space here. So I put the old light back and then pushed all the extra wire inside that one, and then let's go back and put this wire back. All right, the strip is working. Let's check this light at the night time. So I'm cutting the extra piece out. First I'm removing the cap at the end. Got the cap. Now we can cut till where we want it. So I'm using a kitchen scissors. Make this cut. So it's easy to cut also. So I'm taking mark. Yeah. And putting the rubber cap back.
Miss. There. What are the engines?
Easy. Only two tools we used. One to remove this one, maybe a flat screwdriver or any thin blade can do it, and a scissor to cut the extra piece. Simple and easy installation.